Memorial Health in Savannah is no longer providing gender-affirming surgery for transgender patients under 19.
This is in direct response to an executive order by the Trump administration. WSAV's Tyler Nicole spoke with officials today, and she is joining us now to explain exactly what has changed.
That's right, Ben and Tina. Savannah Pride Center says they are deeply troubled by this decision, and they say gender-affirming care is medically necessary for transgender patients.
We should care because when it happens to our neighbor, it will eventually happen to us.
Memorial Health is the only hospital in the Savannah area that performs gender affirmation surgery under insurance for trans men and women, something Executive Director Michael Bell says is life-saving for many of the people they help.
We've seen Memorial Hospital stop doing gender-affirming surgeries, which has a huge impact on not only Savannah, but the region. We need more healthcare providers to step up and move in the direction of diversity, equity, inclusion, and a movement of healthcare for all. This is an opportunity for the city and medical providers and businesses to go beyond pride flags and move into real policy shifts that protect, nurture, and advance our LGBTQ+ community and other marginalized communities.
Memorial Health tells News 3 they have performed some kinds of gender-affirming surgery, but have never had a full gender reassignment program. They released this statement. Memorial Health has never had a gender-affirming surgical program, which would require certain standards of care across multiple clinical disciplines. Like other hospitals, we have a responsibility to follow state and federal laws and regulations. For gender-affirming surgeries, there are laws and regulations around age. We follow those. Licensed physicians use their training and experience to exercise independent medical judgment to assess patients' needs and determine the course of treatment within those laws and regulations. Now, Savannah Pride has responded to this, and they say they are deeply troubled by this decision and say gender-affirming care is, like we said, medically necessary for transgender patients. They also released this statement. We'll have the statement on our website, WSAV.com. Tyler Nicole, WSAV News 3, on your side.